welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a boat using a A4 size sheet. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to make the boat, you can take a A4 sheet or a craft paper or newspaper. So let's get started. So first take the A4 sheet which I have here, fold it into half like this. You have to fold it in a proper half, okay? Now fold this paper once again into half and just make a mark over here like this. Just pinch it over here and then open it. So here you can see a line. Now this part has to touch to this part, so fold it like that way and fold it stiffly, okay, and do it on both the sides. And this part should be equal, okay. Now the remaining paper you have to fold it upwards like this way. Do it on both the sides. Now you can see a space here. Now do it like this way. Is it like this way, right? You have to do it like this way and fold it on both the sides like this way. Now press it on the side stiffly so that it becomes perfect. Now this part you have to fold. This part should touch to this part and fold it over there. Same thing you have to do on both the sides. Now after that, once again you have to open this and put it in this way, okay. When it is this, right, you have to open it and put it in this way. Then just hold it on the top and then just pull it, okay. And the middle part you have to make it straight so that it can look like a boat. Just give a nice press and just do it like this way on the floor, and yeah, your boat is done. This boat even floats in the water. So this is how the boat looks. You can just see here. You can give some paint for this boat and can decorate it with beautiful colors. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.